चाहूँगी कि देखिए पिछले कई साल से जब हम फैशन की बात करते हैं तो एम्ब्रॉयडरी पे ही जोर रहता है। अब एम्ब्रॉयडरी बहुत खूबसूरत होती है, मैं मिजमा में काम करती हूँ, वहाँ बहुत खूबसूरत चिकनकारी करते हैं, लेकिन एम्ब्रॉयडरी जिस तरह से अब उसका इस्तेमाल होने लगा तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे कपड़े के ऊपर थोप दिया किसी तरह से उल्टा सीधा, उसको बहुत शौक दिखाने के लिए। जो ऋतु का सबसे बड़ा कमाल है, उन्होंने वॉप और वेफ्ट को इस तरह से इस्तेमाल किया जो हमारी ट्रेडिशनल वीव है। देखिए, जो हम सबसे ज़्यादा हिंदुस्तान से बाहर दे सकते हैं वो है अपना क्राफ्ट और अपना वीव, क्योंकि सिलुएट्स तो कॉपी करते रहते हैं एक दूसरे से। व्हाट इज इट दैट वी ऑफर एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी डू ऑफर।
अदिति, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि बनारस के बैकड्रॉप पे स्क्रीन पे वो सारी
जो मेरे पीछे वाला फैशन है मैंने वो देखा नहीं बट जो बनारसी फैब्रिक है एग्जैक्टली लाइक शिवाना जी सेड, वो ऐसा फैब्रिक, वो ट्रेंड नहीं है, ट्रेंड आते हैं जाते हैं, लेकिन ये ऐसा फैब्रिक है, आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट इट इज बीइंग रिवाइव्ड, क्योंकि ये कभी नहीं, इट शुड नेवर डाई। एंड आपका जो एक अनस्टिच्ड फैब्रिक होता है उसके साथ आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, एंड टू वेयर दैट इन अ सॉर्ट ऑफ कंटेम्पररी वे, इन अ फन वे, I think that's a perfect sort of kind of message to give out to people, that ये आप ना समझिए कि ये आपकी नानी के कबर्ड में बैठा रहेगा और आप उसके साथ कुछ ना करें और देख लें और वापस डाल दें। आप इन्हें पहनिए, यू आर नेवर गोइंग टू गेट दीज थिंग्स अगेन, एंड थैंक्स टू पीपल लाइक ऋतु कुमार, दे आर बीइंग रिवाइव्ड। This the fabric that I'm wearing today, the sari that I'm wearing today, ये मैंने अपनी नानी के कबर्ड में देखा है ऐसा ही, but it's being revived and it's being worn in a new way. So I think that's wonderful, and I'm very happy. And I wanted to also tell you that wasn't Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan Sahib, that was Jafar Hussain Khan, correct? Yeah. Who was the Qawwali was by him, not by Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan.
song was used by
Maybe. What I walked to was Jafar Hussain Khan. But Banaras का it's very evocative. बनारसी फैब्रिक जो उन्होंने म्यूजिक यूज किया, तो मुझे मतलब I like that whole, I don't know, I like the whole ambience that was created today.
आप लोगों को लगता है कि अगर वो इस्तेमाल करना शुरू करेंगे लोग इस तरह के फैब्रिक, तो जो बनारसी बुनकर है उनकी हालत बहुत खस्ता है, चेंज
outfits like this on the international runway and then promote Indian textile.
On the international runway or for like events?
No, international red carpet events and appearances.
See, I don't know, I can only speak for myself. I think, I'm not sure why, but somewhere it's also been a conscious decision to wear Indian designers, and I've only worn Indian designers. I don't think I've ever worn a designer from abroad. But I was, because I really truly believe that we have so much talent here, and we always look outside for inspiration, and I'm not sure why, because when the West finds something here, whether it's yoga, whether it's our textiles, whether it's our craft, when they start using it, suddenly we wake up and say, oh my god, yeah, this is here, and then suddenly everybody starts doing it. But I know that in the industry there are people like Ritu Kumar and various other people who have been doing this for a long time, and I believe that we have to have faith in ourselves actually. If we have faith in ourselves, we will do what we really believe in and what we should believe in. So but this is only my opinion, I can't talk for other people.
On the red carpet, because after all it's an individual expression, and what bothers me about the red carpet, particularly in Cannes, is that it's an extremely important film festival where very stunning films are shown, and nothing of that ever comes in the papers. It's only women in gowns standing with one hand on their waist. I don't know who decided that that was an attractive position, and that's all we're talking about. I mean, Cannes is not, for heaven's sake, a fashion event. It's there for serious cinema, and so there is only a limit to how much attention clothes are supposed to take. Absolutely on the right, yes, because it's showcasing that, but everywhere else, I would imagine that it would be a heart and a brain which would be just as well liked or not liked. I don't know why it is. I do think that lots of our stars have great bodies and look very nice in gowns. So I don't see why just because you're an Indian, you're forced to wear only what is an Indian outfit. I personally would always wear a sari, but I think what would be very interesting is, like I said, you can take silhouettes from anywhere. But if you would still look at your own craft and your own fabric, then I think it would be a perfect blend.
I think that. Thank you.
Then we just do both. Ma'am, yeah. मैम फ्रेम में आ रहा है वो मैम जी फ्रेम में आ रहा है ऊपर मत आना मैम थैंक यू मैम थैंक यू जी मैम